Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have L.A. Lewis. Well, Miss Kitty is the love of my life. Miss Kitty is someone that I rate, or I wouldn't be talking about her, says L.A. Lewis. Yeah, so he's in love with Miss Kitty, and he's also addressing, a video that that Vegas made. And Vegas was addressing a few things about a topic that he had said about Miss Kitty. So go ahead and catch the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as usual, and enjoy.
I mean, big up Mr. Vegas, people. Yes, and Mr. Vegas is a youth I check for people, and he's a youth I talk to, and he point out some real issues to me, and sometimes he even point me to one of the greatest philanthropists and one of the greatest narrators of all time, where me know look in him studies. So Mr. Vegas have a good mind frame, but somebody send me that video, you know, people.
She want, man to buy.
So somebody send me that video, people, but my colleagues ever say, hey, don't answer it back, it only have 30 views. Then somebody said me one it have 19 views. But people, for sure say the emperor, I'm not in this thing of views, people, because I'm telling already, say, if I go war, people, I prefer go with one loyal soldier than go with a million soldier with a loyal, if I'm going to lose the battle. You understand? Now, but in the part I want to wrong Mr. Vegas for, is to say that people is attacking Miss Kitty. No one is attacking Miss Kitty, people. No one is attacking Miss Kitty. Everybody knows the emperor check for Miss Kitty. I never check for Miss Kitty, I won't even call her name, because now that I call Miss Kitty name, she'll get views. Same like I call Vegas name now. Vegas have to get viral. Whether them like it or not, it will go viral. Every YouTube people will call Vegas name tomorrow. That's why I charge people more time when I go call them name. I charge people for make up them channel. I charge people for promote them. L.A. Lewis is the god of social media, and it is undisputed. Undisputable. Ask Winfred Williams. Winfred Williams will tell you. See them, I do a show yesterday. 100,000 views are gone. I just do a show last night. I do one this morning. I got over 40,000 people already. Go look for my scores and people. And plus over 100 different people share my video them on them channel. So if them never share my video on them channel, me that get the whole of them views of what them get. I'm still don't say nothing. I still allow them to do it because they make money. It's a time hard now, people. So if I in my way can give anybody support, I give them. People, Mr. Vegas will recheck him argument. I'll do rate Vegas, people. But Vegas, remember, said, Miss Kitty is the love of my life. I mean, Miss Kitty is a girl whom I rate. You understand? So if you rate somebody and you rate a friend, you're going to tell them the truth. We just simply say, Miss Kitty, we want to know why you always lick out against man, so why what man do you make you hate them, so? We just ask a simple question. And Miss Kitty, why you can't get pregnant? Time is running out on you. Time is running out on Miss Kitty, everybody know. Hilton is in our 40th year old now, Vegas. Vegas, you already get one heap of youth, Vegas. You have baby mother, Vegas. So, put yourself in a Miss Kitty shoes, Vegas, and see how you feel. So people want to leave a comment and tell me, say, if you feel like the emperor should tell Miss Kitty, I should ask Miss Kitty why she can't have baby. Asking somebody why them can't have baby, Vegas, it's not attacking. I don't see how that commander attacking people. Who do see how that commander attacking people? So Vegas is got to make an assumption. Me forget my lawyer. I matter of fact, me and Vegas are friends, so I don't need to even go there that. Mr. Vegas, please retract your statement. The emperors never attack Miss Kitty, I'm a love woman. You see I'm different than Ali. You see I'm going to fight for the girl Spanish one when them kill and this right. You see I'm going to fight for Portia. You see I love Babsy Grange violate me for Andrew Wellness. I never turn my back on Babsy yet. I love Babsy because I have a childhood crush on Babsy Grange. You understand? I just people. You see, the truth is an offense in the people. To a lot of people. But it's the truth. The truth, they might say it's offense people, but it's the truth. People left a comment, tell me if you don't believe. No. Look how much people say, Lady Sir, why you not have a youth? And Lady Sir come out and explain to the public and tell them why she can't have a youth. I will love Lady Sir, I will embrace Lady Sir, I will support her in the gospel world, in the dancehall world, in the gospel world, till she go back in the dancehall world. We support Lady Sir. Nobody now bash Lady Sir. You understand? Remember in Vegas, what day I say Andrea come out, I say bash Andrea. And Andrea, I don't see why you bash Andrea. And say he's a gay and him is a this and him is a that, and Andrea never call your name yet or trouble you yet or do anything towards you. So Mr. Vegas, pick the bean out of your eye before you venture over this corporation. Big up Mr. Vegas people, one of the most talented artists. Yes, and them fight him a lot. I'm a different Vegas when them fight him. Yes, but it come like say, Vegas want to take Miss Kitty from him. I mean, it seems like Vegas and look Miss Kitty, I'm like Miss Kitty, I'm a crush from Miss Kitty. So, I see Miss Hilton as a girl people who me rate. You understand? And me even tell Miss Kitty, aka Hilton, about the problems that she have, because you know some people the way them hype, if you call them one way for talk to them nah go come. Them are gonna make the hype, make them nah go come. That is Hilton people, that is Miss Kitty. She will not come. Tell Vegas for go try for call her tomorrow, for go talk to her, she got hype on Vegas. Now people, when you talk about education people, see it here, me have to sign off documents like crazy every day people, see it here. So if I education, tell them don't chat to me. Tell them don't try to insult my intelligence. Don't make them piggish mentality counteract with them decency and interrupt with them veracity. They will get nowhere in society with those piggish mentality, fundamentally speaking, on a economical level. The emperor is educated. The emperor even created his one of words. Sabolius. Sabolius was arrived off of the word now. Eliostical. Means so boldlious, meaning you're out of this world. When we said Usainable, Usainable is arrived off of the great super artist named Usainable. So when you're Usainable, you're quicker than time, you're faster than everything. Why are you so ragashantious? Arrive off of the doctor and talk show host and comedian Ragashanti, because he mix up. So when you say mix up your Ragashantious, somebody have a bad odor with them breath, you don't want to go on TV and say, yo, your breath smells stinking up. So you look at the person and say, yo, you don't say your breath is so your breath is kind of scumptious, or your arm is scumptious. That means them breath smells stink or them arms smell stink. So the emperor